Hello friends, today I'm going to show you how to make a delicious Cuban Oregano Mojo Marinade perfect for marinating meats like pork, chicken, or even beef. This recipe is super simple, fresh, and packed with flavor, and I'll walk you through each step so you can make it at home. Start by gathering all of the ingredients. These are sour oranges. Traditional mojo is made with sour oranges, also called naranja agria. They taste like a mix of orange, lemon, and lime, citrusy, tangy, and acidic. If you live near a Latin American or Cuban grocery store, you can often find fresh sour oranges or bottled sour orange juice there. I prefer fresh so it doesn't have any added ingredients. Next, I harvest fresh Cuban oregano leaves. Cuban oregano grows in abundance in my garden, so I find any excuse to use it instead of regular Italian or Greek oregano. I find it has a much stronger oregano flavor. Since I run a seed and plant nursery, I actually sell live Cuban oregano plants on my website. So if you want to grow your own fresh Cuban oregano at home, I'll leave a link in the description where you can grab a plant. You can substitute fresh or dried Italian oregano. It still tastes good, but not quite the same as when I use Cuban oregano specifically. Let's prepare some of the ingredients. Everything is going to be blended, so no need to dice or cut perfectly. Juice the sour oranges and set aside. Peel and quarter an onion. Remove the Cuban oregano leaves off the stems, and break the cilantro into smaller pieces to fit better into the blender. You can also substitute culantro or epazote if you don't like cilantro. Place everything into the blender along with some fresh peeled garlic cloves, powdered chicken bouillon, salt and pepper, and olive oil. Blend everything until smooth. It should have a liquid type of consistency. And that's it. Your homemade Cuban Oregano Mojo Marinade is ready to go. Just pour it over your favorite meats, let them marinate for a few hours or preferably overnight, and cook until done. I'm using it to marinate chicken thighs and bake them in the oven. This marinade also pairs well with pork or beef. The marinade can be stored in a mason jar for about 3 days in the fridge or freeze it for use later. I served the mojo baked chicken thighs with pigeon pea and coconut rice, also called Moro de Guandules, and some garlic butter yuca, also called Cassava. I have recipe videos for the rice and yuca as well. I will link them all in the description. If you try this recipe, let me know in the comments what you used it on. I love hearing how you all bring these flavors into your kitchen. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more fresh homemade recipes. Thank you for watching.